Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I cheated a little on my unboxing. This here um, is the box that it comes in, and oh man, it's already done it here. But watch this. I'll show you what happens. So when we have something hot in it, it changes colors to, well, that was lighter, you can see, and the same with this one here. But then if we put the cold stuff back in there, then it changes back to this color here. So if you want to have cold and hot and stuff like that, it'll change color. So how cool is that? It's going to actually change colors there. Now it's like black. You can see that's black. This thing here is darker, I guess, too. Everything's changing darker is basically what it is. So it's going from light to dark. So that's kind of it. So it's a color changing mug. So that's kind of how that works. I just wanted to kind of show you it really fast, just because if you put coffee in it or something, I guess it would stay hot. But it says color changing magic mug. And so this is the pattern kind of on it right now. We saw that. And how cool is that? A really cool little idea on it. And right now it's cold, cold, cold. So our color is pretty much left. So that's a cool little device. I like it. Thumbs up.